Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable sharing safety informations to the Apple on iPhone. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have. This is all going to work the same on every iPhone. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down, go to the privacy and security. Once you are here, you want to swipe down again and go to the analytics and improvements. Here, the fourth option, you are going to find this improve safety. What it does, that it is, if you turn this feature on, it is going to, now it is on, if you turn this feature on, the iPhone is going to send the data and informations about the safety features by sharing your safety data to the Apple. So if you don't want to share it, just make sure it is gray. Now the sharing of your safety data is off. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.